On one side, there is the world's current richest YouTuber, MrBeast, whose total wealth is increasing rapidly. On the other side, there is Elon Musk, the current richest person in the world. In terms of lifestyle and popularity, MrBeast is giving Elon Musk tough competition as always. Both are residents of America, which is a similarity between them, just as they share similarities in hard work, perseverance, wealth, and popularity. Now the question is, what is their lifestyle like? How do they live? And who is actually the best in all aspects? MrBeast or Elon Musk? So, in today's video, we will compare Elon Musk and MrBeast. Without further ado, let's get into the main video. First, we will learn about Elon Musk. As you know, the current richest person in the world is Elon Musk, whose wealth is unmatched. At present, Elon Musk's total net worth is $397 billion. With this amount of wealth, he is the richest man in the world. The source of Elon Musk's wealth is his famous companies, SpaceX and Tesla. Apart from this, Elon Musk has 15 to 16 other large companies. Friends, it is said that if a person earns 3.5 lakh taka per month, it would take about 3 million years to amass wealth equal to Elon Musk. Friends, Elon Musk is not just called a rich person, he is called the richest of the rich. If someone says this is not possible, Elon Musk cannot tolerate that. Until he makes the impossible possible, he loses his sleep at night. An interesting fact is that in 2020, Elon Musk's total net worth was $27 billion. Whereas in 2025, his total wealth is $397 billion. In just 5 years, Elon Musk has built a mountain of wealth. He shocked the whole world by becoming rich overnight. In 2020, no one knew him, and in 2022, he suddenly became the richest person in the world. Friends, you can never understand how many crores of taka Elon Musk earns every month unless you are good at math. Let's find out how many crores of taka Elon Musk earns per month. Elon Musk earns 3,700 crore taka daily, 155 crore taka per hour, and 3 crore taka per minute. Now you calculate for yourself how many crores of taka Elon Musk earns per year. However, despite having so many crores, he is not a lavish person. He only has as many cars and houses as he needs. Let's take a look at his car collection at a glance. His first car is a Tesla model, and his second car is a Lotus. The specialty of this car is that it can run on both land and water. His third car is a McLaren F1. His fourth car is the Tesla Cybertruck. This is the most durable car in Musk's collection. His fifth car is the Tesla Roadster. Apart from this, he has an Audi Q and a BMW M5, which Elon Musk uses. Just as Elon Musk is a rich person, he is also charitable. Despite being the richest person in the world, he has no private island. Also, he has no desire to travel. This is truly incredible. People who become a little rich in this world own the world's supercars, private jet planes, and the most luxurious yachts. Whatever money Musk has, he invests. However, he has a private jet. When he travels from one country to another for work, he uses this plane. The value of his private jet is over 500 crore taka. Interestingly, he holds citizenship in 3 countries. The first country is South Africa, because he was born in South Africa, and the second country is Canada, because his mother is a Canadian. And currently he is living in America. Elon Musk has citizenship in these 3 countries. You can understand how talented he is from this. Previously, rockets were used for one-time use. That is, the rockets could not be reused. If a rocket is launched once, the whole money is lost, but Elon Musk created reusable rockets. These rockets will come down on the same path they flew up into the sky. This has been made possible by Elon Musk's SpaceX company. He had to endure a lot of hardships to build these reusable rockets. Currently, he is living in Texas, USA. This house is a luxury house, and the market value of this house is about 750 crore taka. So, you got a rough idea about Elon Musk? Now we will learn about MrBeast. As you know, MrBeast makes challenging videos on his YouTube channel, and he gives simple challenges to people in his videos. The person who can complete his challenges, MrBeast donates crores of taka to that person without any second thought. But the question is, where does MrBeast get so much money from? So I want to tell you that MrBeast has 7 YouTube channels. Interestingly, MrBeast gets 1 billion views per month from all these channels. And even more surprisingly, MrBeast earns $10 million or 110 crore taka from YouTube every month. In addition, the world's biggest brands have collaborated with MrBeast, and by sponsoring these famous brands, MrBeast earns crores of taka every month. Besides YouTube, MrBeast has a burger business and his company's name is MrBeast Burger, and MrBeast earns $20 million per month from this burger company. However, the funny thing is that MrBeast does not spend this money on himself. He spends most of the money on people, and that is why MrBeast is extremely popular among people. Many people across the world love MrBeast from the heart. As I told you at the beginning, MrBeast makes challenging videos on his channel, and whoever wins the challenge is given very expensive gifts. MrBeast chose a random person and gave that person $1 million. MrBeast told that person he would be given $1 million per minute, and he had to spend $1 million or 10 crore taka in just 1 minute. Interestingly, once MrBeast asked a person to throw a ball into a basket. When that person threw the ball into the basket, MrBeast gifted him 2 crore taka. In this way, MrBeast once gave a challenge to 4 people. He told those 4 people to keep their hands on the box. The person who lifts their hand from the box last, MrBeast will give him a gift worth crores. When MrBeast's channel reached 40 million subscribers, he gifted 40 cars to his subscribers. Each subscriber got 1 car. The surprising thing is that the value of one of these cars was 1 crore taka. So far, MrBeast has even gifted a private island to people in his donations. So, in an interview, MrBeast said that he donates 80% of the money he earns every month to people. The person who once did not have the money to buy a car is now gifting cars to people. And the world's biggest YouTube channel currently is MrBeast's channel. The surprising thing is that so far, MrBeast has had eye operations for 1,000 people across the world. Because of MrBeast's operations, they can now see. Not only that, MrBeast has had ear operations for 1,000 people around the world. And through this operation, they can now hear. Even more surprisingly, MrBeast has dug about 100 wells in African countries. Because of MrBeast, they are now able to drink good water in these countries. Anyway, now let's learn some personal information about MrBeast. For example, his real name is Jimmy Donaldson. But because his YouTube channel name is MrBeast, everyone knows him as MrBeast. He was born in 1998 in the United States of America, so his current age is 28 years. At just 28 years of age, his total net worth is about 1,000 crore taka. In 2023 alone, MrBeast bought 3 private jets. The value of these 3 jets is $75 million. Among them, he used 2 private jets for his YouTube channel. He crashed one and gave another jet to another YouTuber. MrBeast uses his 3rd jet himself. For example, MrBeast uses this private jet for traveling to different countries. Then there is MrBeast's play button collection. The value of all of MrBeast's play buttons is $14 million. MrBeast has a 50 million play button and even a 100 million play button. Moreover, you will be dizzy after seeing the play button he received for 200 million subscribers. MrBeast has received more than 90 play buttons from his international channels. One of the most expensive items of MrBeast is his car collection. Beast has a collection of cars worth millions of dollars. In the last few years, MrBeast has gifted several Lamborghinis. He gave one Lamborghini in that challenge where several people had to keep their hands on the car. Whoever lifts their hand last gets the Lamborghini. MrBeast's favorite car is the Lamborghini, but currently, MrBeast is using a Tesla. The price of this Tesla car is $150,000 US. Each of Beast's friends drives his cars. MrBeast is a big-hearted person. He loves his friends very much. When Beast had 40 million subscribers, he bought 40 cars. And he gave those 40 cars to 40 subscribers. Truly, this is a madness that no YouTuber can do. Surprisingly, MrBeast bought a total of 20 battle tanks in 2023. You might have seen these battle tanks in MrBeast's videos. Beast spent 50 crore taka to buy these tanks. Anyway, let me know in the comments who you will vote for between MrBeast and Elon Musk. I think both are the best because they are trying to do good for people. If you liked the video, you can share it as much as possible. Take care.